The Refrigerator Throughout the Decades by Olivia and Justin.
500 BC. One of the earliest forms of refrigeration was called an ice house. These were commonly used to store ice throughout the year. The ice was usually cut from nearby lakes and rivers.
The 1740s. The first form of artificial refrigeration was invented by William Cullen. Cullen showed how the rapid heating of a liquid to a gas can result in cooling.
This is one of the first forms of artificial refrigeration. The milk, butter, broth, desserts, and milk dishes would go here. The fruits and vegetables would go up here. The cooked vegetables, eggs, fats, and leftovers would go here. The berries and cooked meats would go here. And in the big compartment down here, the uncooked meats, poultry, and covered job for salad material would go there.
The 1840s. The first ice boxes were made by carpenters. They were insulated wooden boxes lined with tin or zinc and used to hold blocks of ice to keep the food cool. A drip pan collected the meltwater and had to be emptied daily.
1913. The first electric refrigerator for domestic use was invented by American Fred W. Wolf. The Dome Marie was the first successful mass-marketed package automatic electric refrigeration unit.
1918. William C. Durant started the Refrigerator Company to mass-produce refrigerators. Meanwhile, the Cabinator Company introduced the first refrigerator with any type of automatic control.
1920s. Electric fridges were not yet mass-produced. They were mainly owned by wealthy, and they costed around USD 1,000.
1940s. Home freezers had separate compartments larger than necessary just for ice cubes.
1990s to 2000s. Companies started to apply the internet to home appliances. Samsung released models with Wi-Fi and cameras that keep track of when food is about to become spoiled.
These are our sources.
Refrigerators. These were later refrigerators, but they are still pretty new. This one looks older. There's two different handles. It just has the regular shelves and stuff. You can set the temperature to what you want it to. And it has a little star that says where it's recommended to be at. And then this is where you can put your butter and cheeses and whatever. And drinks and stuff. And there's lots of different compartments. We are at Lowe's, and this would normally go for $737.
This is another Refrigerator one. It usually goes for $764. It's got the freezer up here, which again has recommended temperatures and stuff back there, and some compartments over here.
These don't have the ice makers, I don't believe.
No, these don't have the ice makers. And then down here, there is more settings.
So that's why it has this. This is probably what makes the whole fridge get cold. This is the freezer, so this is the temperature for the freezer. And then down here, this part up here would probably be the cooling for the refrigerator. The light is right here, so once you close the door, this goes down, and the light turns off. And also this has recommended and stuff. And as you noticed on the other one, the deli drawer was up here and it is right here. So you can put your butter and cheeses and whatever right there. Whether you want to keep your fruits and vegetables colder or warmer.
So it's like another temperature setting.
Yeah, kind of. Okay. So this is one of the newer versions. It is an LG style. And this is where you can put some of your stuff because it has a button down here that you can just open that part. Or if you just open it right here, it opens the whole thing. Fruits and vegetables here. And fish and meat would go down here. And this also has an ice maker.
Okay, so this is one of the newer refrigerator ones. It has all these settings for water, crushed ice, and stuff like that. And then if you can see up here, this is a Pure Source Ultra Ice Maker. The ice comes out right there, and then it shoots down out of this tube into your cup. And then you have...
This is a Samsung one, but this is one of the newer ones. You can listen to music. You can make a list of what you already did and stuff. And you can draw, and there's a calendar, make shopping lists, and you can listen to music, and there's a speaker right down here. And it is touch screen. Oh, and look, it says right there, you can swipe down to view screen. Oh, it's not working. Go to view inside. So you can see on the inside what's in there. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's like in there. So that is